The CNC blade ensures absolute precision, cutting the giraffe leather with flawless accuracy.
Look at that finish.
Truly remarkable craftsmanship.
We need to adjust the sizing on the sleeve cuff. I agree. Let's widen the gradient slightly before the client review.
The acidity is slightly high in tank 3.
Let's adjust the enzyme bath levels accordingly.
Let's verify the thickness at this point.
It measures slightly thin. Look at the reading on the caliper.
Let's verify the thickness at this point.
It measures slightly thin. Look at the reading on the caliper.
Look at this spot right here.
This spike portion is quite thin.
Yeah, I see it. It's a bit thin.